Okay, so hi there. I have something new, brand new, just arrived. So let's see what it is. I think I know what it is. I need to carefully take it out. By the way, I don't remember where I got it. I'm almost sure it was not eBay and not AliExpress. Aha! So what do you think it is? This is not just a battery. Okay, so if you will take a closer look, you will be able to see that we have few components here. So the basic components are of course a lithium polymer battery. By the way, I'm not sure if there is a protection inside this battery. There is something, but I don't know if it is fully protection board. There is the circuit with MOSFET and a chip and another chip, and we have a coil. And if you know this coil, so this is a high voltage coil, and this is basically just a spark generator. So what is the spark generator? It is for producing spark. So let's see if this is working. So of course we need to attach both contacts close to each other, and then we need to probably press this button. Whoa, do you see it? Whoa, the spark is so big. Maybe I will change the lighting here so you will be able to see it a little better. Okay, so take a look now. Do you see it? Whoa, the spark is huge. Okay, so this is the spark. Now what it is good for? This is good for lighting a light, for survivor, for taking fire and things like this. What is special about it? First, that you can recharge this circuit. There is a type this is a regular, like a Galaxy charger. What I'm more curious to see, what is the current that it is taking out. By the way, the battery is 220 milliamps, and I guess that the spark is at high current. Let's find out. So I think this is the most interesting thing here. We'll try to move it through. Yes, we can. Yes, we can do it. Yes. Not easy, but we can do it. So look at the number here. Maybe I will try to remove reflections, and I will try not to burn anything, so I will take it like this. And now let's watch what is the current. We need to, of course, do the calibration. Whoa, so this is 1.7 amps. You see, this is a lot of current as expected. So let's do our calculation. 6 minutes. This is not bad. You have 6 minutes of spark. Let's see if it depends. You see 1.8. I want to see if I close it, if the count will be lower. So let's see. No, same current. No matter what is the distance between these guys. Of course, if it is too much, like now, maybe there will not be a spark. Let's try. Now there is a spark. Right, I'm out of the focus. So again. So again, take a look At this side I will try to put it like this and look at the spark. You see it? Two amps, and it is continue up. Interesting to see if it is very close like this, what happens. Now there is same current out, so of course we are draining a lot of power, but this is what lithium polymer are. This is 200 milliamps, and probably this is something like 20C or even more, so you can drain a lot of power from this battery and there is no issue with it. Okay, so very nice. So like a survivor kit. Okay, so probably you can find such a circuit. By the way, it's not very, let's say, complicated to do such a circuit. Basically, you are just applying pulses to the coil, and the coil is doing all the rest. So probably about 1 kilohertz of pulses and 2 amps. Many MOSFET can handle 2 amps. This is not a very high current for these days, so not a complicated circuit. By the way, most of the circuit probably is to charge the battery and to have it charged correctly. There are no LEDs here. There are LEDs, so you can also see when it is charging. Let's try to apply charge and to see how it goes, just in order to see what LEDs we have here. Aha! They designed it so bad that they didn't break this part. Now it is broken, and now we can connect it. Aha! There is a LED. There is probably a blue LED till it is fully charged. Then I guess it is stopped the charging, and this is how it works. Okay, so in order, of course, to make it more usable to me, I've disassembled this battery out, and I've connected everything to a box with the switch, but also power on off, because I don't want it to start without controlling the start. And I glue this 18650 battery, and everything is connected inside, as you can see. So now let's test to see that it is working. By the way, the switch, the ignition is here, and now this battery can handle 1 hour of roll continuously, because this is 2 amp hour. This is 2.88 ampere hour. So let's see if this is working perfectly. Do you see the spark? Wow, nice. Maybe I will zoom to the spark itself. And again, I will do some more dark so you will be able to view. So now more usable, closed in a box. Need to glue the box, and this is more usable than I got it, and we have a power on off, so you can close it. So this is all. Thank you and bye.